Hi guys, so I'm Anik Hassan. As you can see my name here, I've made a dashboard for EDA of IPL, Indian Premier League. This is a sports database and dataset that we've been given, and we are required to make a dashboard out of it and try to analyze what are the outcomes and what factors influences those outcomes. So in this first page you can see that I can select different teams if I wanted to. I can analyze single teams or multiple teams here. So if I wanted to just see how Kings 11 Punjab made their toss decisions and how many wins they had by toss decisions, or in which venues did they win the most, or whatever we want. In this page we can see that. In the next page you can see that we can also analyze single teams, but in here we can see the total runs scored by those teams in this pie chart, and out of those total runs, how many runs were extra runs and how many were wide runs that they got. This is the chart of that, and below that we have the top wickets for top bowlers and type of dismissals. So Mishra had the most wickets. He had more than 150 wickets, out of which 26 were stumps, 89 were caught, and 25 were bowled by him. So these are the top 10. You can just scroll down here and see the top bowlers on the IPL. In the third page you can see you still have the flexibility of changing the team that you want to analyze, and here we are analyzing the batsmen. So these are the top 10 batsmen and how many runs they have scored. This is given by this chart, and how many runs did they score against a particular bowler. So Virat Kohli scored 159 runs against Mishra, and this is the score. This is what he scored against Kumar, 64 runs. So this is the distribution of how they perform against certain bowlers. This is a type of dismissals for batsmen. So out of these top 10 batsmen, how many were dismissed the most, and then based on those dismissals we have categorized it on how they were bowled. So we can see that Arjun Sharma has been bowled the most. He have been out the most, and out of that he was caught 1 or 3 times. Virat Kohli was caught nearly 152, 151 times, and out of those he was just caught 95 times, and 30 times he have been bowled. So this is the statistics of batsmen. On the fourth page you can see we can analyze different teams. You can select your teams here. I have selected Chennai Super King here and Kings 11 Punjab on the second side. So team A is Chennai Super Kings and team B is Kings 11 Punjab. We can select the season that we want to analyze. We can select if we want to analyze some certain outcome of the toss, and if we want to analyze the decision of the toss as well, we can select that. As you can see, the city, this table shows that when the city is Abu Dhabi, the winner is Kings 11 Punjab, and they have won 1 time. You can see here that Chennai Super King won 4 times in Chennai. So in Chennai they have been against each other 4 times, and all of the times Chennai Super King have won. So this is by venue, by city, and this is by toss winners. So if toss winners were Chennai and they decided to bat, then they have won 6 times, and Kings 11 Punjab have won just 1 time. So, and this is the winner ratio. They have won, Kings 11 Punjab have won 4 matches and Chennai Super King have won 7 matches. In the fifth page you can probably not see what it is since this is a web app. But I have uploaded a PBIX file on the GitHub as well, so you can see there what this is. This basically says Q&A. It is a feature of Power BI that we can use to analyze